are at Amish Ashram and climbing down the stairs from our 14th level, and this is a fucking giant beehive. You can't really see it.
You can see it, alright.
It looks better in... There you go.
Wow.
Hundreds of bees.
Let me just like go under it. This is how close it is to your head.
How close it is to Dennis's head.
And they look, friendly bees. I like friendly bees. A little bit nervous, but... Indian bees. Indian bees are nice bees. And over there we have coconuts.